Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the thinking rocks. Before beginning, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. This is one of my favorite ways to lay out the thinking rocks, but feel free to adjust them how you like. We also provide a suggested layout guide if you need guidance. Next, I'm going to peel away the backing to take my image off. I'm sticking one side of the rock down first, then using my squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to apply the remaining rock. I'll use the same method to apply the remaining images, working section by section for a smooth and secure finish. The height of the bear paws on the wall should be adjusted based on the age group you serve. Thanks for watching!